Time to replace the radiator coolant. I have no idea what's inside of this radiator and the cooling system, so I plan to just replace everything with fresh water and antifreeze 50-50. And to do that, according to the user manual, I need to open this here, and to be clear, the location is exactly here. So this is the whole tractor, and that valve is located right here. So I open this. It has a clean coolant inside. There's no rust. That's a good sign. But I will let it drain all the way, and then I need to fill everything from here. I'm in Walmart, assuming the prices are going to be cheapest here, and I see these two options, this guy and that one, and these are 50-50 already pre-diluted, and this one is 11 bucks, 14, and according to user manual I need 24 quarts which is going to be 6 gallons. I'm gonna go with this one. I have no idea it's good or bad. I mean, it's just coolant. I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Okay, it seems this is fully drained. There's some drips coming out of it, and I'm assuming there's still gonna be some fluid inside, and the user manual suggests to close this at this time, fill that with fresh water, run the engine, and then turn it off, let it cool down, and then flush the water again. But I'm not gonna do that. It seems the water inside, the coolant inside, was clean enough. There was no rust, and I'm assuming that if I fill that, probably because of some residue of the previous coolant, there's going to be there's not going to be the need for all 6 of them, or maybe 5.5. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna close this first and then fill that from the top. Okay, fully closed. And then let's grab one of these guys. Where is it? It's here. It's not easy to do that with one hand. Ooh. Alright, there's nothing to watch here. I'm just gonna fill the whole thing and then run the engine for a few minutes to make sure everything is circulated inside. Okay, I ended up filling that with 5 of those fluid gallons, so 1 gallon extra, which I'm assuming that it's just leftover from the previous fluid inside, because I did not completely flush the whole system. So I'm just gonna keep it for the future, just in case the level is low. I'm just gonna top it off. But yeah, I just turned the whole thing on, and then I just want to make sure that there's no leak on the valve that I opened. Let's see here. So that's the only part, the only valve that I opened. Other than that, the rest of the system was pretty simple. The whole purpose was just to show where is the valve and then how much you need to fill it up. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if I'm doing anything wrong on this. Please comment on the bottom of the video. Thank you.